Hi guys, it's Sterling Spectre here. As many of you seen, we have finally have the 100% LHR unlocked for the 30 series Nvidia cards. So NiceHash was the first miner to offer this service, and I believe it was around Friday that they released it. Then on Saturday, NBMiner had a new release for their 100% unlocker. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up this 100% locker for NBMiner. This is because NBMiner runs both on Windows and on Hive OS. Therefore, it applies to both operating systems. So if we go over to the newest GitHub release for NBMiner, we can see that they have said if you run NBMiner with admin privileges, you can get 100% LHR unlock. Under this, they have tested drivers for this unlock. So for Windows, it would be 512.15, and for Hive OS, it would be 510.60 driver. It then further goes on to say that other drivers might have compatibility issues and that the previous LHR mode has been removed. Lastly, it notes if you run into issues, then change the driver and set the memory clocks around 100 to 200 MHz lower than that of the previous LHR mode. So you're probably wondering what kind of hash rates you should be getting for your cards. Well, I'm going to be going through expected hash rates and then get into how to set up the miner for full unlock. Firstly, we have the 3060, which should be getting around 50 megahash. Next, we have the 3060 Ti and the regular 3070, which both should be getting around 60 megahash. The 3070 Ti should get around 80 megahash. Next, we have the 3080 10GB card, which should be getting around 98 megahash. And lastly, we have the 3080 Ti, which will get around 120 megahash. Now we know the expected hash rates, let's get into the setup. Firstly, we want to download the new version of NBMiner. Once downloaded, we obviously want to unzip the file so we have access to the batch files. Now the next thing we need to do is enable the miner to run with admin privileges. As it said in the GitHub, you have to run the program as an admin to make the unlocker work. So to do this, you have to find the NBMiner executable. It's basically the miner program and it should look like this. Once you found it, you want to right click and click on the properties box. Next, we want to find the compatibility tab and click on that. Then look for the box that says change settings for all users. Click on that, and then lastly, we want to click the box that says run this program as an admin. Then click apply and exit out. So by doing this, it will run the miner automatically as an admin when you open any of the batch files linked to the miner. Next, we want to make sure that the correct driver is installed. So to do this, just type in Nvidia Drivers in Google and click on the top link. Then go to advanced search. Once here, you want to go through our sheet of cards and put our driver type to DCH. As mentioned before, the driver for Windows is 512.15. So we want to download either the game ready one or the studio one. Then we just want to perform a clean install and you should be ready to go. Now all we have to do next is just find our batch file and edit the wallet address and server to whichever pool you want to use. So when we start our miner up, it will give us a message about the LHR unlock, and after a couple minutes it will confirm a share and show us our hash rates. As you can see, we have this 3060 up and running. I can push this to around 50 megahash right now, but I'm recording so the hash rate has dropped off a bit. So the last thing you want to do is start overclocking your GPU. Remember, it says if you're running it into errors, you should lower your memory clock by around 200 of the original overclocks. Now if you guys are struggling with the setup, then feel free to join the Discord server and I'll try help you with any problems you have. The link for this is in the description. Let me know what hash rates you guys have been getting in the comments below. Lastly, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content like this.